Hey, Jason.
Hey, Steve. Welcome to the Chamber.
Thanks. It's great to be here. We at giftcards.com have a great program we think that can help your chamber achieve your goals.
Okay, how's it work?
Well, here's how it works. It starts with this. People are giving gift cards more and more every day. And we want them to give a gift card that keeps or drives business in your chamber. And the way to do that is have a chamber gift card. Okay. So we can create a gift card that has your chamber logo on it. Okay. Your members, your citizens can give that chamber card, and it will work at the members of the chamber that sign up for the program.
Okay, what does the chamber have to do?
Well, the number one thing we'll need you to do is help us communicate to all of your chamber members about the program. A couple ways to do that. One is an email or several emails out to your chamber members letting them know that we're working together to create a chamber card that works. Second would be able to talk it up in your meetings, whether it's the after hours events or it's whenever the chamber members get together to explain this program. They need to understand what this program is about, and we need your help marketing the program to your members.
Why would I promote your program over other programs? We've gotten lots of people trying to get in touch with the chamber asking me to promote their programs to our members. Why should we use giftcards.com over anybody else?
That's a great question. Number one is that we will keep and drive business to your members. Okay. A lot of times people come to you and they're just wanting to promote themselves, and it's about them getting business from you. We're here to help you drive business and have, there'll be a lot of times that a chamber member will go, what have you done for me lately? Right. You'll be able to acquire and retain more chamber members through this program. Okay. And the reason, well, that's one reason. The second reason is your chamber members aren't going to have to really do much on this program at all. Because our program runs on the Discover network, none of your chamber members who sign up for this program are going to have to change out their point of sale device or their credit card device. It'll just work as long as they accept Discover.
So in other words, our small business owners can use your program for a gift card program, because a lot of our members don't have gift card programs. We can also, you can also drive traffic to our site because you own giftcards.com, and I assume you have a lot of traffic too.
Well, we do. So there's actually three ways you'll drive business. Number one, giftcards.com, which gets millions of hits every year, will have your chamber's card as one of the options that people can buy. Mm-hmm. Number two, from your chamber website, when people go to your chamber website, you can put this gift card program on your chamber website so people going to your site can click on a link and buy a gift card. But third, each of the individual members can also put a website link on their website that lets people buy a gift card to their business, because this chamber card will effectively, as you said, be their gift card program.
So would it be something like giftcards.com/merchant name, and then my merchants would use those URLs to post on their website to drive traffic to their own landing page on giftcards.com?
Close. It'll be giftcards.com/chamber gift card. So whatever, we'll put the name of your chamber in there in gift cards. And that will be the link that will be used on your website, on giftcards.com website, on the individual merchants' websites as well.
What's it going to cost us? I mean, how much are our members going to pay? How much are we paying? How much are we making? I mean, all
right, so it works like this. There's an annual fee that the chamber pays to have this program. The first year is more than all the other years because there's initial setup. But in subsequent years, it's a smaller fee. Then each of the members who signed up for the program pay an annual fee. And what's it going to cost you? Well, we will compensate you for your marketing expenses. So as you help us with emails and promoting the product, we help cover some of those marketing expenses, which actually, if we do it correctly, will end up covering all of your costs that you have for this program. In fact, it may cover more than those costs for you.
Why is there an annual fee and not just a fee per card sold or anything like that for this program?
Well, so when somebody gives the card, so somebody comes to this unique chamber website to buy a gift card, they are going to pay $2 to buy this card. Okay. And that will be to produce the card and ship it. Okay. So let's say they wanted to give a $100 chamber gift card, they're going to pay $102 to get that done. Okay. But then the members don't have to do anything. They don't have to keep cards in inventory. They don't have to fulfill it. They don't have to do customer service. They don't have to do anything. People will walk in and they'll know from our website where these cards can be used. So they'll know which of the, 100, 200 of your members that are signed up for this program where it's accepted, and that'll be on our website.
So in other words, we pay a fee for being a part of the program, the chamber does, and then each one of the members of the chamber that join the program would pay a fee, which offsets the cost of the chamber's fee.
Exactly.
And theoretically, we could make money on this program.
You could, yes.
Okay.
Our expectation is that you would.
And have you made money with, have other chambers made money with this program?
They have, absolutely. Okay. They've covered their annual fee and made some on top of that, because we're going to count on you to do marketing for us, to do emails. But the sign-up process is all very easy. It's all done online. So there's an email that you'll be able to send out to your members that lets them sign up. And through that information that we gather through that sign-up process, we can make sure that that card works only at their locations and not everybody's.
Okay, so how long does it take a member to sign up? I mean, is it a long process, or is it quick online?
It's about a 5-minute process online is all it would take to set up. And so the way it'll work is that we'll have a period of weeks that we'll communicate together to all your members. And it's usually about 3 weeks that we'll communicate and people can sign up. And at the end of those 3 weeks, then we will go produce that card, which usually takes about 3 weeks after that.
Okay.
And then after that, we can allow new people, new businesses, or businesses who didn't decide to join this card, but on a not every day, usually it's every couple months, we'll open up the participation for others to join this card.
Okay. And so you've had other chambers do this program?
We have.
This is not a new program?
It's not a new program.
Okay. And, okay, so merchants, what if merchants want their own program with you? So I understand they're joining this chamber card, and they'll be a part of a chamber card. So the card will be good at the merchant locations inside the chamber that sign up. But what if they want to have a program directly with you and have their own card?
That's a great question. And a lot have already done that in the other programs. So you could decide as your own merchant, yes, I like the fact that I'm a part of the chamber gift card, but I want to have one that has my logo on it. So we can create one. It's a little bit more of a fee, an annual fee, but you can actually get both programs. You can get one that's just your logo on your card that you can sell from your website and at giftcards.com, but you'll also be included in the chamber gift card as well. So you could do both of those programs.
Great. So let's get started. We'll go look at the pricing and maybe get started
Okay,
again on the program.
that's great.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Bye.